Hello, my name is Emma.
Today, you will hear slow and clear speak English Emma's story. Let's start. Every morning, I wake up early. I always wake up at 7 o'clock. I usually feel sleepy in the morning. I don't like waking up early, but I have to wake up. I have classes at university. When I wake up, I get out of bed. I walk to the bathroom. In the bathroom, I look at myself in the mirror. I usually look tired. My hair is messy. I smile at myself and say, "Good morning, Emma." Then I brush my teeth. I always brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use a blue toothbrush. I like the fresh feeling. After brushing my teeth, I wash my face. I always wash my face with cold water. The cold water wakes me up. It feels nice. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. I am always hungry in the morning. I need breakfast. Breakfast is very important. I always make the same breakfast. Every day I eat toast with butter and jam. I also make 2 eggs. Sometimes I make fried eggs. Sometimes I make boiled eggs. Today I usually make fried eggs. I like fried eggs more. I also drink orange juice every morning. I love orange juice. It is sweet and delicious. And of course, I make coffee. I always drink 1 cup of coffee. The coffee helps me wake up. While I make breakfast, I usually listen to music. I have a small radio in the kitchen. I turn on the radio. I listen to morning songs. The music makes me happy. I cook my eggs slowly. I don't rush. I have time. I put the bread in the toaster. I wait. When the toast is ready, I put butter on the toast. Then I put strawberry jam on it. It smells good. I sit at my small kitchen table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I don't eat fast. I enjoy my food. I drink my orange juice. I drink my coffee. This is my favorite time of the morning. It is quiet and peaceful. While I eat, I usually check my phone. I look at messages from my friends. I check the weather. I see what classes I have today. After breakfast, I always wash my dishes. I wash my plate. I wash my cup. I wash my fork and knife. I put everything away. I like a clean kitchen. Then I go to my bedroom and I brush my hair. I always brush my hair for a few minutes. My hair is long and yellow. Sometimes my hair is difficult to brush, but I am patient. I brush it carefully. After brushing my hair, I sometimes put on a little makeup. Not too much, just a little. I don't usually wear a lot of makeup. I like to look natural. Now it is time to prepare my bag. I have a black backpack. I use this backpack every day. I always check my backpack before I leave. Now I am ready to leave. I put on my shoes. I usually wear comfortable shoes. I have white sneakers. I wear them almost every day. They are comfortable for walking. When I get outside, I take a deep breath. I smell the fresh morning air. I look at the sky. Today the sky is blue. The sun is shining. It is a beautiful morning. I walk to the bus stop. The bus stop is very close. It takes only 2 minutes to walk there. I usually walk slowly. I enjoy the morning. At the bus stop, I wait for the bus. I usually wait for about 5 minutes. While I wait, I look at my phone. I read some news. I check my messages. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I sit down near the window. I like looking out the window. I watch the streets. I watch the people. I watch the shops. The bus ride is short, only 10 minutes. I usually listen to music during the bus ride. I put on my headphones. I play my favorite playlist. The bus arrives at the university. I get off the bus. I walk to my classroom. I see other students. Some students are my friends. I wave at them. They wave back. So, that is my morning routine. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed my story. Like this video to support the channel. Subscribe for more slow English stories and daily English practice.